Hi guys, welcome back. So after a long time because of my exam, I'm solving this problem that is Athena. Uh, Here we have to capture two flags user.txt and root.txt. So let's start. So as usual, we start with nmap scan. We all know. So here you can see in the nmap scan we got port 22, port 80, port 139 and port 445 open. Okay, so let's start by enumerating port 80. So first of all, I opened port 80 and let's first go to the home page. Okay, so on opening port, here you can see we got the web page. Here nothing working. You can see the home page, the about page, the contact page. Nothing will redirect it you to anything. So what you can do is here you can see I started then capturing the you can say directories that I will show you here. So here you can see I got nothing interesting. So actually there was nothing interesting in the port 80 in this web server. Okay, then I move on to this Samba port. Here you can see SMB. So I started SMB enumeration. So here you can see when I listed the you can say files in this SMB. Here you can see we got two folders, that is first is public, that IPC1, this one is only accessed by root, so we can't access this. So here I when I exit this less public page, here you can see I got a text file, that is message for administrator. So I downloaded it and here what it says, dear administrator, I would like to inform you that a new ping system is being developed and I left the corresponding application in a specific path. So here we have a you can say a directory here, which so now we have an start point. Here we can start with this directory. So now as we have this directory, I tried different, you can say, let's first erase all this. Okay, let's send this request. So this is actually an exploitation based on ping. So what it does is we will just do the normal stuff in ping. Actually, as we know, what we do in SQL injection is first we write some actual query, then we end up or do some, you can say, end up and then write our own query, and or we can sometime use this just to comment. Same is you can say like same is for this also. So what you have to do is you can search for OS command injection payload. So here I got this medium article. So this you can read this. This is DVWA command execution. Here you can see like this. We are getting this root by the stuff here. So what you can do is you can open Bubsuit here and capture the request by just sending a normal ping and send it to repeater. Okay, so after sending here you can check various stuff, like you can say you can type this and check for list. Okay, and then send the request, and in response it says attempt hacking. It means it can be vulnerable. We have to find something that can, you can say, bypass this. So what you can do is instead of this character, uh, here we have many URL encoded, you can say, these characters, so you can try everything else so one by one, and or you can make a word list of these characters and you can try. So actually this one you can say %0a, which is for character this. When I tried this one here, we show you. Okay, okay. Here when I type this is LA, so I you can say got, let me show you. Here you can see I got the index list index of this page, like we have index.html file, ping.php and style.css. So now we have, like you can say, a terminal access, when I do cat ping.php, okay, so here when I view the content of ping.php, let it load. Here you can see we have now our ping.png. So after reading this, what I got to know about it is, we can there is a way here. What I did is I started a local server, HTTP server in my PC. I can show you the command here. So what I did is I used curl command to you can say put a reverse.sh file in the directory slash save slash shm slash, you can say any name you can give it. Okay. So reverse.sh is nothing. It's a simple normal script. I can show you. Wait a second. PHP cd cat and reverse.sh. Here you can see it's a normal bash script which you can create from this reverse cell generator. It's just normal one. Okay. So after that, you can say let's go to uh, here you can say we have, when I use this curl command, and here you can say I have this reverse.sh in my local path. So I copied this using curl command to the path this. Okay, so let's copy this path. Okay, and here you can see when I okay, this, let it be. Yep. So here you can see when I first of all I tried to copy use a PHP script and tried to copy it to HTML folder where the website loads, and then I thought to load it, but it was not working. So I just generated a you can say bash script, and when I sent here you can see we have this reverse.sh in our folder. Okay, now what you can do is you can just run this bash script by this command bash and this file location. After doing this, you will get a reverse cell. Here you can see I got the reverse cell. Okay, so after getting the reverse cell, we can say we are www data. So I did just a little bit of enumeration. I tried to find files, but I got nothing. So I started linepiece.sh. So on exploring linepiece.sh, I got, here you can see there was a file named. Okay, let's go down. There was a file. Yep, there was this. You can see a folder backup, and inside that, wait a second. Yep, here you can see there was a script in this backup folder, backup.sh. So I move down here. Let's go down. Okay, so actually when I opened it, here you can see backup.sh. When I opened that file, it just copies some file from location this notes location folder and copied it, just does nothing. But when I saw the command of that file, actually we permissions of that file backup.sh, so we can edit that file. So what we will do is we will edit that file and add a bash script for a reverse cell in that backup.sh. So for that actually I need to get the permission, you can say, and more interactive cell. So what I did is, here you can say I got the interactive cell. You can just get interactive cell in few easy steps. First use this command import python 3 import, then export, you can say term equals to xterm, and then you can just use ssur and then foreground the process. So that's all, and by pressing enter, here you will get your cell, so that you can search online, you will get easily. So after that, when I edit that file backup.sh, here you can see I have the file this backup.sh with this content bash-c bash-i. So it was actually after just changing the content, it was automatically running, and I was able to get the cell of Athena here. Same I did is just increased my cell, you can say, privilege. Okay, so after that we got our user cell user.txt easily in this Athena home directory. Okay, After that, what you can do is you can search for what command we can run as sudo. So here you can see it shows we can run this insmod command, and there is a file venom.ko. So this is a actually a kernel OS file with which um, you can say used to load kernel like stuff. So okay, so when I downloaded that file, here you can see in my PC and explored in this Gitra. So there were two functions which were interesting. First one was give root. So it was just nothing. It was there were nothing. But then when I moved towards the function hack to kill, here you can see it gives root if the variable equal 0x39. Okay, so what I did is I copied this whole you can say command and tried to you can say uh, search it in ChatGPT. So when I pasted it and searched it in ChatGPT, it says uh, using this you can say what we saw here 0x39. Here you can see we saw what 0x39. So here you can see the 0x39 when equals to it now we gives we can get the access to the give root function. Okay, so what I did is when I copied this command is actually this is assembly code, so I was unable to understand it properly, but when I searched it, so here you can see we got you are dealing with a privileged escalation kernel module, that is venom.ko, that hooks the kill system call with custom logic, okay, based on the signal number. This is a classic LKM root kit trick, and you can exploit it directly from by sending signals to your own process. Okay, so summary of head kill function. This function replaces the default kill function. Okay, so actually this replaces the default kill function and does different thing based on signal number you send. So okay, so we have to send some signal number, and here we know that we have to send 0x39 to gain the you can say root cell, and 0x3f, that is 63, to hiding slash unhiding. Okay, that is of no need. Okay, so after that what it says to use 0x39 to gain the root. So we have to just send dash 57, that is 0x39 decoded version. So when I just send this skill dash 57, here you can see I send this skill dash 57 and this is our path, you can know path ID. After sending this, I just gain the root cell, and here you can say I got the root.txt. So it was actually a very easy one, the exploitation part. So we have to just analyze that venom.ko file, it make its custom kill function, kill command, and we have to just send you can say a signal to using a kill command, and it just copies or identifies that signal, and after due to identifying the signal we got our flag. So that's how we you can say initiated this function here, because we signaled the correct you can say code, that is 0x39 for 57, and we got the root cell. So that was the question. So the one other way also to exploit it maybe is we can make our custom ko file, and then you can say uh, compile it and then copy that content to venom.ko, but I didn't tried it, so maybe it can work, but you can try it. So that's all for today. So it was a very great question for exploring purpose. So that was for today. Thank you for watching. Till then, bye.